For skirt, for dress, for black. I think this together with black very nice combinations. Very good, very good and very nice. So, and also good stretching and high quality, I think, and this good for if it is broken, it's very hard to be broken. So, and let's see how it is when it is wet. So we see this really wet. I see this really different than dry, and